Hey guys, to show you how I use Emacs to make a coding much faster and more fun and much easier. Now in front of me is a code that I tried, a Python code that I tried to describe a website, and after testing, it's found it as useful. Okay, then I will have to update my old file, a CSV file, with updated with URL and other data. Get this one for UK and this one for Canada. I have to remove it. Now, suppose the CSV file has a problem that if you want to remove a certain item, it's very dangerous. Sometimes I can remove too much, and I remove also one important comma. That is a great problem. Then the next step of my program will have error. So I don't do it. This morning I used a few, maybe half an hour. That I wrote another Emacs program that I can do these things much easier. Now, suppose I want to get rid of this item in the CSV in my configuration file. I make a shortcut, Control C, Control comma. Then I got everything gone, and I come to this correct URL here, escape, Control spacebar. Then the whole thing copy back to this buffer. Control Y, that I got it. So now I got the URL updated. To show that whether the column has any problems, I can use the CSV align mode. Then you see, okay, then everything correct. URL is the correct column. Okay. There's one thing that Emacs can do, and how can I do this? I can show you my code. I name it my delete to character because this is a very good function in VI editor, but not in Emacs. And how can I do it? It in fact a very simple code. I search to suppose I have an element A, B, C, and then I want to delete everything within the quotation mark here. Then I can go backward. I search backwards the character. In this case, my character is using comma. Okay. Okay. Yeah. For example, I have. Okay. Let us see a CSV file. If I here my cursor anywhere here, I can remove that item right away. My control Control C, Control comma. I search backwards the character, go back here, and then forward one character, and then search forward to another the character, this means the separator or the limiter, and then I kill the whole region, and that's it. So it's very simple. If I come here, yeah, that I got it. Okay. And in the same way, suppose I have something in between with the quotation mark, and remove those parts. Control C, Control, yeah, the quotation mark. Then I can get everything gone. Then for that, keyboard shortcut came here. I define a keyboard shortcut, Control C, Control single quote. Then I delete the character, and Control C, Control comma. That delete the character, comma. Okay. And there are also another tricks in editing Python using Emacs that here I don't want single quote, I want double quote. Control C, Control Q. I know it only works in Python. Suppose I want double quote here. Control C, Control Q, then immediately becomes a double quote. I want to go to single quote. Control C, then get single quote. Okay, so it's very simple, and hope you like this little trick and sharing the experiences. And okay, talk to you later again. Thank you. Bye.